Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Audi e-tron. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches here at all. Let's take a look now at the driver fender and wheel. Perfect. This fender has no scratches and the wheel has no curb rash. Okay, now let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door are perfect. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's have a look now at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing anything wrong. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look now at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches on the back here at all. Also, the back bumper is perfect. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on either door. Okay, and now we're going to look at the last fender, and everything here looks fine. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear there at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. The seat looks really good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. The door panel is in perfect condition as well. Let's have a look now at the back seat. Very good. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Let's have a look at the leather and stitching. Excellent. That looks very nice. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.